Next up is Jennifer Barrientos from the New Jersey Department of Community Affairs, here to talk about lead remediation and the abatement program. Jennifer, thank you.
I want to make sure you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So hi everyone, I work for New Jersey's Department of Community Affairs, and today I'm going to be talking to you about our lead remediation and abatement program. So to start off, just to give you a bit of an overview, during fiscal year 2023, the Murphy-Oliver administration made an unprecedented commitment of $180 million to address the ongoing threat of childhood lead poisoning. With these funds, we have funded community-based organizations and different units of local government to conduct lead-safe repairs and energy efficiency improvements in residential units. Through the recruitment of these organizations from underserved communities, we're ensuring equitable investments in health improvements and lead hazard remediations throughout the state. And to give you a bit of an overview of the housing stock situation in the state, as of the 2022 census, New Jersey has 3.78 million housing units. And what's particularly concerning is that about 2.4 million of those units, or 64% of them, were built prior to 1980. And even more concerning is that about 1 million were built before 1950. So this pretty much means that about 25% of our housing stock has almost guaranteed lead-based paint hazards unless they've already been addressed. So for the Office of Lead Prevention, we do have several lead assistance programs. And the one I'm speaking about today is the Lead Remediation and Abatement Program, which is funded by federal SFRF dollars, 180 million to be specific. And as of today, we actually have 58 grantees throughout the state, and 2 are actually undergoing training through our lead training initiative. This expansion is very significant because through it, we've really been able to increase our ability to serve different communities throughout the state. To give you a bit of a summary of our program, the program aims at remediating and abating lead-based paint hazards in homes built prior to 1978. And among these measures we include window replacement, door replacement, wet scrape and painting, encapsulation. And to the eligibility, recently we did make some changes. We did understand and we listen that a lot of times clients that are looking to apply have a really hard time getting documents that are necessary, such as like income documentation, pay stubs, income tax returns. And so now we allow for self-certification. So even if someone's not able to obtain the required documentation, they can fill out this form, and that is enough for them to prove their income to us. And then in addition to this, one of the biggest changes we made is that previously we did require Social Security numbers, and Social Security numbers are no longer required to apply for our program. Here are some additional examples of allowable measures. Again, window replacement, door replacement. I know we also allow for minor roof and plumbing leak repairs. And the reason we allow for this is because a lot of times it is necessary to protect the integrity of the work that has been done for the lead remediation work. And we also allow for temporary relocation of occupants. A lot of times when people are applying, one of their concerns is, okay, well, what do I do if I need to move out of the house while the work is being done? And this is covered as part of the program, and we cover up to 15 days of relocation. So specifically, this covers hotel costs, meal costs, and when necessary, it does allow for if they need belongings in storage to be put away in storage for them. So we also cover that. And we try our best to coordinate with the contractors to minimize the displacement time for those applying.
Jennifer, I'm sorry to interrupt. Can you, people are having a bit of trouble hearing you. Are you able to get a little closer to your microphone or speak a little louder?
Can you hear me more now? Is it better now? You can hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, all right, awesome. All right, so as far as the work that is allowed through the program, we do both remediations and abatements. Remediations can be for up to $13,000, while abatements can be for up to $25,000. Again, abatements are performed when the Department of Health has issued a notice of violation, and this is in response to a child with an elevated blood lead level. Basic eligibility criteria as far as the unit goes, it does have to have been built before 1978, and the household occupants have to be low to moderate income, or 80% of the area median income. For landlords specifically, as we all know, about a year ago, the lead paint inspection law came out, in which is PL 2021 C182, and the lead-based paint inspection law in rental dwelling units does require units to be lead safe for renter turnover. Landlords do need to ensure that units are lead safe prior to renting to new tenants. This is very important because previously, clients had to apply. There had to be someone in the unit. That is no longer a requirement. If landlords have a unit that is vacant, they can also apply for a vacant unit, since the eligibility is going to be based on whomever is going to be living in the unit. So they just have to make sure that whomever they rent the unit out to next is within the income guidelines of our program. In the past year, we have also implemented an online application portal. It's meant to streamline the application process, and both landlords and tenants can apply through this newly created portal. It's extremely user-friendly, and documents are uploaded directly into the portal. We do understand that sometimes clients have a very difficult time uploading documents, so we don't want to steer them away from going into the portal. The portal does allow them to submit an application even if they don't submit any documents. What ends up happening is that the application is directed to one of our grantees, and then the grantees contacts the applicant to assist them in uploading and completing the rest of their application. Our eligibility has also expanded. The LRAP program utilizes eligibility from other DCA income tested programs, such as Section 8, LIHEAP, USF, weatherization. So any applicant that is already part of any of these programs is automatically eligible for the LRAP program as well. And the same goes for SSI, TANF, SNAP, and adoption subsidies. So through our Lead Training Institute, while we already have gathered all of our current grantees that are going to be implementing the LRAP program, we are currently in the process of building contractor capacity as well, because we understand that that's also very important. So DCA has partnered with ISLES to provide training to contractors to build capacity, and we'll be offering classes such as EPA's RRP, and it's going to be provided at no cost to contractors that are interested. Training hasn't started yet, but it will be starting soon. So any contractors that are interested can contact us at the LRAPcontractors@dca.nj.gov email. And if anyone has any questions, interested contractors or applicants, please feel free to contact us. I have listed my supervisor's email, which is in Leah Lee, and then my email is also at the bottom. Thank you.